In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to do Minelayer, a tier 3 mission in MW3 Zombies. We need to kill 25 zombies with the energy mine field upgrade and kill 15 mercenaries with the energy mine field upgrade. This is relatively simple. This is your energy mine and it's your power up essentially. You can use it, it'll recharge over some time, and when you throw it down, it'll send out a few explosive pulses. You really want to bait together a large number of enemies and then use it, as it does take quite a few minutes to recharge. And of course, if you pick up that katana looking power up, it should be fully charged, but those don't drop anywhere near as often as you'd hope. So preferably find yourselves a mission or something to do that'll take you across to a large number of zombies, and that's where we'll be starting. Here's a large number of enemies, so let's chuck down our ability, and as soon as it's down, it'll start pulsing and killing zombies in the area. I only got 4 here, but we need to get 25, so maybe doing this in the easier areas is probably the best, as you can bait them around solo quickly. On top of this, you will want to bait them around to try and get as many of them close together as possible, as it's going to take a short while for it to regen. I'm going to chuck down my ability here, as it seems like a really good place to do so. Hey, would you look at that? A whole bunch of zombies. Let's plonk down our ability here. And as you can see, we made a huge amount of progress. We didn't get to 25, but we did make quite a bit. Oh, there we go. It seems like it did work. Cool. Well, now we just need to kill 15 mercenaries. Essentially, you'll find these in the armored patrols that go around the map, or in the armored patrol stationary locations. There's a few of them around the map. I'll sort of show you what they look like in a moment when we get into another game. They're essentially the enemies with guns, whereas most of the enemies are just zombies without. Let's get the rest of these mercenary kills now. Just make sure you have the energy mine equipped and don't swap that out, obviously. Alright, so there we go, hopping into a new map. What are we looking for? Well, we're looking for mercenaries. Essentially, you'll find 3 of them driving around, usually on this big highway here. There's usually one over to the far right. Let's see if I can find something as an example. Yep, there you go. There's a mercenary camp all the way up here. It looks like a little hut slash TP thing. There's another one here. Let's see if there's anyone a bit closer to us in the southwest. It seems like there is one here. There's a mercenary stronghold. That should count. So we would be able to do that if we had a key card. Let's instead, I suppose, make our way up here to this mercenary camp. It seems to be the closest one. Unfortunately, it does seem like a long jog away. Also, it's not just time that refreshes your orb, or whatever you call it, your ability. It's also damage slash kills that does it, so tapping through quite a few enemies, you'll probably recharge it very quickly. You could also probably run into the camp, use your ability once, run out, and come back again later when it's recharged shortly after. Something along those lines. Taking this rift should help speed us up a little bit. Yeah, definitely. Alright, let's make our way over to the mercenary camp over here. There we go. You know you're in a mercenary camp when you have a little drone flying around and things start being all weird. Counter UAV down. It should be a little bit easy to spot them now. I wonder if we can bait them all together. Maybe, maybe not. There's a few of them here. We can chuck it down in the center. There's 2. Yeah, that's about it. 3 or 4 kills. That's something, I suppose. Well, I think the smart thing to do is to leave them here so we don't get rid of all of them and quickly recharge. We're at 6 out of 15, which is okay. We made some progress. Let's run away, reset, and come back. I don't think they respawn. Maybe they do. Actually, probably. Oh, and let's also head out of the tier 2 zone. Oh, and not to mention they also drive by on vehicles like that one over there. They usually follow the train tracks or the highways. Is this also a mercenary building? No, it's just an infested stronghold. Insta-kill should make this a bit faster. Is it only headshots that counts? No, I don't know then. Alright, well, maybe we can just wait for it then. Let's ping the next mercenary stronghold and get our way over there. We are 6 out of 15, so it's still going to take a hot minute to finish. Alright, we're approaching another one up here. Let's try to do the same thing. Bait them all as close together as possible and use our ability. I think this one's already been touched a little bit. Oh, we kind of flattened some of them too. That's not the best. Let's chuck it down somewhere here. And we got, I think, 6 of them. 4 of them. Anyways, 10 out of 15. There's a little bit more that we need to do. You could probably finish this in the next one. Well, actually, they're still just chilling up there. Maybe we can find some more zombies nearby to clear out and come back. There we go. Our mine's available once more. Let's trek all the way back to the bridge and try again. Oh, and this would have been useful. Picking up this item here simply just refreshes your power ability. But anyways, that'll be gone by the time we return. So we've got 1 more shot to get 5 more kills. This shouldn't be too difficult, assuming we can bait them close enough together and get it off in one go. And I think the only way up here is to walk. No, there's a zip line. Cool. Let's do this. Up and into a group of maybe 4 or 5 of them. Let's throw this down. And that's hopefully all that we need. I think we probably need 2 more. Okay, well, I guess we take some more time then. Alright, with it finally recharged, hopefully we can get our last 2 mercenary kills and get this over and done with. There's already a few of them here. Let's chuck it down somewhere about here. Please work. That should be it. Yes, it is. Sweet. Anyways, that's about it for this quick guide. Hopefully you found it somewhat useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.